Greetings. The Future of Intelligence, Part 2. Artificial Intelligence and Economic Disruption. Artificial intelligence and automation are displacing humans in the workforce at exponential rates. Projections of job losses over the next 20 years across multiple industries range from 35% to more than 70%. At the same time, we have a bubble in the world population of retirement age people. This means that a smaller workforce will be supporting a larger aging population. This will also have enormous economic consequences. But the world's not getting poorer. On the contrary, technology is generating tremendous wealth, but it is decimating jobs. Under capitalism, most of that wealth goes to the owners of the means of production. That's probably not you and me. We get the job losses. The resulting wealth disparity is clearly unsustainable. One proposed solution to this problem is a universal basic income. Another idea was Marxism, which was a less popular experiment. Other solutions are being developed and proposed and tested. On Sunday, October the 3rd at 7:30 a.m. US Pacific Time, I'll be speaking with future studies expert Dr. Sahil Inayatullah about possible solutions to this mounting economic crisis. I can guarantee it'll be eye-opening and probably a lot more hopeful than you might expect. I hope you can join us. Thanks.